Hey guys, today we are introduced how to use a sensor through Arduino. As you can see in the picture, this is a ultrasound sensor which is called HC-SR04. So if you Google search that, you'll get into some pages like this, and you scroll down, you get the connection and also the code. So we download the code here, or maybe to the desktop. Yep. And as I already have that, I'll just open it. So you unzip it and double click on that, as you need to have the Arduino IDE to open it, and we just do that. And here is the thing.
Hi everyone, now I will show you how to connect the ultrasound sensor with the Arduino Uno. Now we can use the breadboard, but for this case, we'll use the pin cable instead, and it's easier to connect. Like this. And then we will use a similar color to match with the cables, the wires here. Red to red, green to green. Yep. Right now we can get a code from the online tutorial, and we find the ground is, which is the black one, is to the ground. Then next to it is the red one, which is the echo. Oops. Echo is to pin 10. You can see this is a digital squiggle 10 here. And then the yellow one, which is the trig, to pin 9. Here we go. Last one is the green one, which is the VCC, is the power supply to 5 volts. 5 volts is next to the ground. Be careful. And finally, what you're gonna do is to use the cable to connect with your USB. And connect to your computer. Yep, now you can see the Arduino is on light. This is how you connect.
So now that we physically have the Arduino unit connected to the computer, it's time to upload it and make sure that the apparatus actually works. So the first thing we want to do is go to Tools, as seen here, and make sure that the right thing is connected to the port. As you can see, the Arduino/Genuino Uno is selected, which is correct. So we're good on that front. The next thing we want to do is to upload the code. So if you click this little arrow button, it'll upload to the Arduino. And down here, you can see that it's compiling the sketch and uploading. It says here that it's done uploading, but if something goes wrong, it will show a message saying that something happened, and it will likely give you some parameter in the code that might cause the error. So now we want to open the command window so that we can see the output from our Arduino sound sensor. So if you're on Mac, you can select Command-Shift-M and open it. On Windows, that should be Control-Shift-M. As you see, there's an output, and you cannot see this, but I am moving my hand in front of the sensor, which is causing different numbers to appear. These numbers are showing the time that it takes the sound from the ultrasound emitter to exit, reflect, and reach the sensor. Now we can see that the code works and that the ultrasound sensor is reflecting what the code is telling it to do. Thank you for watching.